Okay, so it is July 4th, 2020. What an interesting year. This place is crawling with folks. Just got people everywhere. No one's social distancing. Who we got here? Ah, some old folks there. So my bed game is strong this year. Got lots of stuff going on. And I think instead of going out and doing the festivities, I just want to mow. So I just want to mow. And oh my gosh, love the looky-loo. Hey, what's up? Got some looky-loos here. Let's see what we got going on.
Are you Connor?
Yeah.
I can't believe it. I'm actually here. I came all the way from Texas.
What?
And I was like, I've got to find this guy's yard. It's amazing.
You see me on the YouTubes?
I've seen all of your videos, and like, I'm just in the area. I got to come check it out. So I just can't believe it. It's like,
what do you think?
It's amazing. But is this section over here the ryegrass section?
Oh yeah, right. You hear that, folks? He thinks this is my ryegrass section. That's a bunch of bull.
Maybe it's a different guy on YouTube, but he has a ryegrass lawn that I just really like the look of. So.
Oh really? That must have been that Ryan Knorr guy.
That's him. That is him.
Oh, I hate that guy. I hate him.
I don't know. He seems like a pretty good guy, but
well he must be pretty popular. If you found him.
Yeah, I guess so.
I guess we'll see. I'm gonna get him out here and we're gonna see what we can figure out, and I'm gonna show him what a real lawn looks like. None of that sissy ryegrass crap.
Is this just a boneyard out here now, or what are we doing with these?
Yeah.
These mowers?
This is a boneyard I've got going on. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this sucker, but I need to fix the back wheels. There's a transmission issue. And then that mower over there, I got that one from the landfill for free. But it's got a really good body and wheels, so I have a mower over here on my back porch that does not have a good body and wheels. So I was thinking about taking the good engine and putting it on this one. I don't know.
I think we need to preface this, what I'm wearing here, because this is the real deal. This is not a go somewhere and find this suit. This was my dad's suit. And I may have gained a few pounds, so I'm not sure if it fits perfectly, but come on, people.
It fits. It ships. That's a good looking suit on him. And I picked mine up at the secondhand store. So I got my mowers and stuff in here. Got some more junk and boneyard stuff over here.
More junk.
That's my new mower over there. I just gotta find some way to get it inside the shed. But you'll see here in just a second, the shed is full. There it is. Okay, so in here I've got all this stuff. You can see these are shed materials for my soffit. I just kind of need to organize it a little bit, and I'll be able to fit all of this stuff in here a lot easier. I need to get these materials out of here. But I got my ATVs in here. There's my Greens Master Mower. Motorcycles there. So I got to get to this mower here, so we got to get these four-wheelers out of here. Hey, get over here! Get over here! I need you on this machine. Get it out of here.
I'm not getting on that
Yeah,
machine.
get on the blue one. Get on there! See, he won't do anything I tell him to do.
I'm sissy.
Turn it on. Okay, put it in reverse. Okay, good. All right, so dirt and high performance sharp scissors are not ideal together.
What was the first pull?
Low throttle. So I'm trying to get Ryan to go on that four-wheeler and go on a four-wheeler ride, but he's like, no, I don't want to go on a four-wheeler ride, yeah. It's like, dude, you're in the mountains. Get your butt up into the mountains. And he doesn't want to do it. It's like, what is this? Chicken City? Come on. Okay, so I got him on the lawn. He wants to use the 1600 first, and that's a good choice there, because I'm like, we got to do the trim pass paleo, so he's getting his trim pass on. And I'm going to get him on the triplex. I'm going to make him mow while I sip and drink lemonade. It's not often that I get to mow during the day, unless it's on a Saturday. Today is a Saturday, but Normally it works, I don't normally get to mow this time of the day. I'm gonna get the triplex out and let him try his luck with that. Hopefully he doesn't break it. All right. Here we go, folks. Don't kid yourself today. So I'm gonna go around and run the trim pass with this big guy. I'm gonna let Mr. Knorr try his luck at it in just a second. So that's the guy right there. Probably ought to get his suit jacket on. Can you put your coat on? Put your coat on. So he's gonna try his luck at the machine here. Look at him, he looks like a freaking chicken. Look, he's willing. What the crap was that? You don't lift up the reel that soon. Go down. Right now. See that? I gotta teach this guy everything. He doesn't know how to do anything. I have to teach him how to freaking reel mow. I have to teach him how to cut low. Everything about it, I have to teach him. Let's inspect this guy's stripes. So he's done this one, that one, and this one. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so I'd say he's doing pretty good. So with that stripe right there, he'll have to come back and clean that up. I think he's kind of figured it out. I don't know that I trust him on that machine. Look at the guy over there. He's like an adult in a little kid's body, just driving like an oversized machine. Looks like a little kid. And now he's just driving willy-nilly all around. Hey, I wanna go mow the back. I wanna go mow the back. Okay, go mow the back, dude. You do whatever you wanna do, you know? This is your show, not mine. So check out those stripes there. That is really burning in good. And it looks so good. I mean, look at that right there. Look at that looky-loo over there. He's like, hey, what's going on? They've even stopped to look at the turf, okay? We'll go find out where he got the bikes and all that stuff too. Hey, Snow! Uh-oh. I want to know the story on the bikes.
We just rented them.
Yeah, I know that. All right, so he said that the bikes are 10 bucks an hour for each bike. That's a freaking deal. I think we should get those bikes and roll. Those guys on the bikes were saying this is Major League Baseball status over here on the lawn, and I'm giving myself credit, giving myself a pat on the back for that. I wouldn't say this is some of his finest work, but I'd say it's decent. Look at that, a robin. Robin over there with the red belly, looking for worms.
I don't have any Ryan Knorr gear, just the lawn.
Oh, I know you. You're the looky-loo. Yes.
Hey, how's it going? Good, how are you?
Good. So right here, folks, we got here a passerby, and he says, oh, you got Ryan Knorr here too, huh? So yeah, we do. So